Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, and well, we're trading the Micro E minis this morning in the futures account, and I'm going to show you guys exactly. I'm going to show you my entries, I'm going to show you my exits, I'm going to show you all that fun stuff here in the video, talking about the thought process of trading futures, but I'm also going to show you the entry, I'm going to show you the exit, I'm going to show you the profit, I'm going to show it all right here live. But do me one big favor. It's Christmas time. It's the holiday season. Let's share the joy. Leave a comment on the video down below talking about just a little Christmas joy. You know, you can say whatever you want. Merry Christmas, Merry Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa. Patrick, I hope you get cold for Christmas. Whatever you want to comment, leave a comment down below. Let's see if we can get like 300 comments. It's Christmas time. That's all I want for Christmas for you guys is 300 comments and some likes and maybe subscribe, you know, maybe that too. But I'm going to show you guys the trade here that I made this morning on the E-minis, locking down some profit and walking away green, getting ready for Christmas, getting ready for some eggnog, and let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Tuesday morning, Christmas Eve, and there's literally just no action here on the E-minis this morning, the Micro E-minis you're seeing right now, but there's just no volume this morning in the market. You can see how slow it's been all morning long. I mean, we've basically done nothing all morning. We just moved around a little bit. I'm looking for a short entry. I think this is looking for a little bit of a pullback. I think we might be able to get down here today, kind of like down here to the 224 area, down in this area. So I'm looking for a little bit of a pop here, going into open or at open, looking for a pop back up here to the 230 area, and then looking for that pullback. So that's what I'm watching right now. I'm just kind of been sitting back here all morning, not really looking. I'm not overly excited right now because the volume just really low, not a lot of action. But we'll see. We'll see what happens if we can get some action this morning, and going in here into open if we can get that pop, and we'll look for a pop for some selling going into open. So here we go. Market is now officially open. Let's see if we can pop up here to the 229, 230 area. So if you see this chart right here, this is what I was looking at. We broke this kind of upward trend, and right now we're kind of below it. So I'm looking for this upward trend to kind of turn into resistance and to continue lower here. So right now we are kind of flirting with that 229 area. That's where I want to get short at, that 229. But you can see even with the market opening there, I mean, when the market's been open for a minute and we haven't really made any move here. We've just been stuck in this little tight range. So not much opportunity, not a lot of volume so far this morning. And right now the market's kind of figuring out which way it wants to go. So again, I'm not really too eager about jumping in here or doing anything crazy as of yet. So we'll see if we can get a little bit more. Right now, kind of getting stuck there at the 75, that 228, 75 area here. Let's see if this is going to keep continuing pulling back here. I'm going to grab one right there at 228, 25. And I can grab some more here at 228, 50. Another one there at 228, 75. So getting three contracts there from 228, 25, 228, 50, and then up there 228, 75. So let's see if that 229 area is going to hold it down now and we get this pullback like we're hoping for, or like we're planning for, I guess you say. Planning for that pullback here. All right, so there's that pullback. There we go. This is working out beautifully right now. We're currently up $22. Continuing to pull back here. Looking for this 226 area. Give me a little bit more here. Getting a little bit of volatility here. Riding, see if we can't get a cover down there in the 326. So getting one there at the 226 like we planned on. And looking for a little bit more, maybe below there. So we get to 225.75 here. You can see my original entry here on the price on the ladder at that 228.75. So nice move so far. See if we get that last. We got one more. There we go. One more contract there. And let's see if we can get 225.25. There we go. So locking in $42 there in the futures account this morning. Nice, beautiful. Getting all the way down there to 224 now. So our original target getting touched. Or, yeah, she's getting touched. That pattern playing out there. We talked about how we're getting stuck below that previous upward trend here. This is not rocket science, okay? So if I remove this line, and I remove this line, and all we look at is this trend right here, I'm like, okay, we can put a trend line. All right, the bottom of these candles, and I can see, okay, we're trending higher, and look at that. We break that trend, and we pull back. We get stuck below that trend, so that's obviously a bearish sign. That's pretty much what we're looking for in terms of getting short. You know, if I'm thinking this stock is this instrument or the market's going to go lower here, that's what I'm looking for. And on the 5-minute chart, this is a 500 tick chart, but on the 5-minute chart, you can see as well, pushing up into those EMAs. You can see my 3 sells there, 228.25, 228.50, 228.75, and then starting to get covered down there. My last cover there at 225.25. So again, I know the $42 is not impressive by any means. It's $42, but you can see right now, let me pull this. You know, making $42, I know it's nothing to brag about, but $42 with a $1,600 account, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So remember, one thing also here is that the E-minis, the micro E-minis, are 1/10 of the move and the price of the normal E-minis. So what does that mean? If I would have been trading 3 contracts of the normal E-minis today, that would be a $400 profit, which that is my goal, and that's why I'm trading the way I'm doing. My goal is to trade 3 contracts for basically the entire month of January, and then look at my P&L, and if my P&L is green, well, that means that my P&L would be 1/10 this bigger. Not that I know it's not exactly like that, but I'm just starting out here, getting back into the groove, and that's my goal of trading 3 contracts, just like I would trade normally on the E-minis. I'm doing it with the micro E-minis. The micro E-minis only take $50 of margin, whereas the E-minis themselves take $500. So again, 1/10 the size, $500 versus $50, and you can still make money here with the micro E-minis. I mean, $42 after commissions, everything's beautiful, quick and easy. Today, again, wasn't a really hot day. We only had a small move from 228 down to 224. Normally looking for a little bit bigger of a move, but going into Christmas here, Christmas Eve, it kind of is what it is. But this kind of worked out exactly like we talked about before the move. This is not pre-recorded. We talked about this move right there, getting down there to the 224 area, and that's exactly where it got. So now you guys can see what my thought process is. We got the breakdown of this trend. We had previous support there at 224, and there you go. Thank you. I wouldn't want to spank you. Not really sure what that means, but either way, we're green. And going into Christmas, so there it is. Christmas Eve, we're green. Merry Christmas, Merry Hanukkah, Merry whichever holiday you celebrate. If you guys haven't already, give me a Christmas present. Help me help you. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Just leave me a good old Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and all that type of comments. It's always great. Let's see if we can get at least 300. Let's get 300 comments if it's everybody going. If you're watching this video, just leave a comment down below about staying green this Christmas season and going into 2020, baby. Green. So there it is. I'll talk to you guys after Christmas. I'll talk to you on, I'll talk to you on Thursday. So there it is. Peace.